Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to exit a community on Roblox. First you just need to open your Roblox application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on party option here. Now from here you just need to go to the communities. Now from here you will find all the communities that you have joined. I'll list it in this section. So there could be multiple communities that on Roblox on your account that you have joined. Now I have only one community right now that I have joined. So I'm going to leave from this community or get exit from this community. So we just need to get into this community page here, and from here we'll find this three dot button at the top right corner here. Now from here you'll find leave community option. Here it is. Now you can just tap on leave community and make sure that you actually want to leave this community, so it will just exit you. You can just easily exit this community from Roblox. So you can just tap on yes button here, and here you can see here's a join community option button here. So that's mean I have just exit from this community. If I go to the communities, then here you can see I don't have any communities right now. So that's how you can just easily exit a community on Roblox. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.